Hi there, this is Dr. Sami Garas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do assignment 1 in IDEA. First, I created a demo section on Blackboard and then another folder for the data file. So let us see both of them and see how you can work on each one of them. First of all, when you open Module 2, you will see it here. The last section, IDEA Assignment 1. If you click, you will see two folders. The first one has a demo. The demo just to show you how to use IDEA to make assignment 1, but you don't need any of these items for the assignment. So for example, when you click on the demo, you will see that I made a video that will explain all the functions that you need to use for assignment 1. So to give you a record, I put all the function here in this file. It's a PDF file that shows you all the functions one by one. So if you scroll on this PDF, it will explain the functions. And in the video, I explain them how to use them one by one. In this video of the demo, I used a data file called sample payments, which usually installed with IDEA if you install it in your desktop. But if you were not able to install IDEA and you use our version remotely from the campus, you should be able to download this one and then use it to do the demo. So remember, the whole section of the demo is just to show you how to do IDEA for assignment 1, but please don't use the data file for the assignment. I will show you now which data file you should use for the assignment. The data file is here under data file and instruction. When you click here, you will see the data file, which is an Excel sheet I have uploaded here. You need to download this Excel sheet, which has 999 records on your desktop. And from there, you start to do the assignment. So first of all, this is the file that you should use it for the assignment, assignment 1 data file. Now let us go to IDEA. When you open IDEA screen, you will get a screen like this. I already have the file on my desktop, which is here, assignment 1 data file, which you have it on Blackboard. You drag the file and throw it into IDEA dashboard. It will give you this screen. You just need to click OK. That's all. And when you open, it will give you this file. If you check here on the bottom, you see that this file has 999 records. And we need to do the same functions that we have done it on demo. So to save your time, I created all the functions here. And this is what I need you to do in the assignment. First, you need to do the PRECNO, which means physical record number. So how to do this column? I made it in the demo. So you need to come up on the data file that you uploaded now and you create a physical record. When you create a physical record, just scroll down here and you see the physical record end by 999, which is the same number of record. So now we are in a good shape. Then I made the functions, not by the sequence that you have it in the video, because here, let me show you the video. In the video here, in the functions, I put first the date, the physical record number. Then we make date to character, which is the second function. And here is the second function. If you check this date, it doesn't have 2 digits for the month, 2 for the year, and the day, and 2 for the year. So what I did, I created 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, 4 digits for the year. And if you compare this field with this field, you see that they are different. This one is consistent here. It has 2 digits for the month, 2 for the day, and 4 for the year. Number 3, just letters, and number 4, just numbers. And here what I did, I took the supplier number, which has letters like G, R, P, and numbers, and I split them here for supplier letter and then supplier number. So I was able to split this field into 2 fields. Then we go to number 5, write on the characters on the right side. So what I did, I came here, check number. You see check number, if you keep scrolling, that there are 2 numbers here, 70, start by the check numbers. All of them, they start by 70, and then you put 4 digits. First of all, I create the here 4 digits using the function of write at write. But when you use the function write, you need to convert the check number field from numeric to character. How do we know that? If you go here to check number and then you make a right click, you go to field manipulation, and then you go here. In your file, this one, it will be numeric. You need to change it into character. And after that, you need to create check number, where you take only the 4 digits from the right side. Number 6, a strip, which removes all the dots, punctuation, control sign, spaces from the field. And this is what I made it here. For the months, if you check the month column, here you see in January here it has dot, another one capital, another one small letters, another one dot here. So I want to do it consistently. So what I did, I used the strip, add a strip, and then I use the function. You can check my video and see how I made it. I'm going to put only a challenging question for you, is to create all the letters here capital, big letters, not the small letters here. I'm not going to tell you how you do it, but I will leave it for you. If you don't do it, at least use a strip to remove the dots. But if you do it, this will show me an evidence that you know how to master IDEA. So what I need from you is just remove the dots here. But if you are able to convert all the field here to make it capital letter, this would be an excellent point. Now let us go to the next one. Number 7, range, where we use between. So first we need to use function between, and then we go and filter all the range of numbers. So what I did, I use it here for the amount. And I say, create a range between 20,000 and 40,000. 20,000 and 40,000. You need to go back to my video and see how I made the range. And then you go to here, criteria. No, sorry. You need to go here, right click and make filter. Yep, here it is. You see filter. So when you click on filter, I say, give me the value, which is 1. What does it mean? If the amount falls in the range, you will see here there is number 1. If the value doesn't fall out in the range, it takes 0. So I say here, filter all the records to give me only the ones that falls on the range of 20 to 40. And here, if you check, you should be able to find 193. Okay, and then you clear it off. Okay, you don't need to show me because I'm going to check your work when you submit your file. So To double check your work, you check your range. If you find your range 193 records, it means you did the right job. And next one, so here we did the range. Next one, simple split, which is the last function in this assignment. I took supplier name and I split it between first name, which is here the first word or letter, and then last name here, which has more or middle or rate here. And then I made full name where I have the last name, comma, full name. So you can go back to the demo video and see how I made it and come and do it here. I made highlight here for all the columns. I made it to show you which items I added to the file I gave you. If you would like to highlight your work, that's fine. If you didn't highlight your work, also that's fine. But remember one thing, once you finish your work, please save it. It's already saved here, and then you close it off. When you close it off, it will give you here same file as you created, but it right here dash database. You need to save this file and then give it to me or upload it on Blackboard. So when you go here, you will see here database, copy to, and then you copy it to your desktop. So here you go, copy to, and then you save it to your desktop. And make sure once you save it, you should be able to find the file in this format. Can you see it here? For me, I created under assignment 1 MA database, and it has the icon of IDEA. This is the file that you need to submit on Blackboard. By the way, how I grade this assignment, for each column you create, it will take 5 points. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the assignment will take 50 points, 5 points for each column. And then you submit the file in the IDEA format. Please don't submit the file in Excel or PDF, because if you submit the file in any other format except the IDEA format, I will deduct 10 points out of 50. So we need to be clear from that. Whether you download IDEA in your desktop and work on it, or you use our remote version on campus, whatever you want, but you need to submit this assignment in IDEA format to Blackboard by Sunday at 11 p.m. If you delay, the first day I deduct 30% from your score of the assignment. The second day I deduct 70%. And the third day I don't accept the submission. So we say 30% deduction for the first day of delay, 70% deduction of the second day, and the third day, there is no grade will be given for that. Why I say that? Because the following week, you will have another assignment of IDEA. So what I encourage you to do, please start working on the file now by looking at the demo and then work on the assignment. If you need any help, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you, but IDEA is a very easy software. I made the demo and the data file to make sure that you are able to do it, I hope within 2 hours or so. If you need any help, please let me know. And I hope you enjoy working on IDEA. Thank you. Bye-bye.